How to delete Spotify account permanently. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can delete your Spotify account permanently, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To delete your Spotify account, we will not be able to do it from the app, so instead we have to go ahead and open up any of the browser you have and then go to spotify.com and then sign into your account. Once you're signed into the account, you can just tap the gear icon from the top right hand side and then go to this option called support, as you can find it. And in the support tab, you just want to type in something similar to closing account or anything as such. So just go ahead and type in closing account and then hit the search option. You'll be able to see the first article on the list that says closing your account and deleting, so just tap on it. When you tap on that article, there are two different ways you can close your account. One is if you have premium and the other is if you don't have premium. So if you have premium and you are a premium user, you want to tap on this option here that says close your account and delete your data. But if you don't have premium, so go to don't have premium option, and here you can see another link, close your account and delete your data. Again, you want to make sure to just tap on it. As you tap on it, it will ask you for a confirmation as to why you are leaving it. Just tap on close account and your Spotify account will be successfully deleted. So this way you can go ahead and delete your Spotify account permanently. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, then feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.